So the OnePlus 12 is coming soon, and it is a must-wait device because the specifications it is coming with will put iPhone and Pixar to shame. So OnePlus is more to showcase a new custom-made display from BOE which can reach a max-out 3000 nits of brightness, something no phone can do right now. The best part is some rumors circulating in China suggest we may see this super bright screen in the OnePlus 12. So a 6.82-inch massive screen size, the OnePlus 11, 10 and 9 were 6.7-inch, so 6.82-inch is something similar to the Samsung S23 Ultra that is huge. GCS says this device, the OnePlus 12, is equivalent to the OnePlus 7 Pro in terms of display. So this is something exciting cause the OnePlus 7 Pro is an iconic device, so I just cannot wait to see the OnePlus 12. Some final schematics of the OnePlus 12. We have 4 sensors on the back, Sony IMX9 series main, super wide and a circular lens on top of a periscope unit which can shoot 6x optical and 120x offer zoom. The last one could be supporting sensor cause flashes on the top left corner. The highlight of this device is not just that 5400 mAh battery or 24 gigs of RAM, but the Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset. The next-gen Qualcomm silicon is powerful and power efficient. The Antutu scores all-time high at 2 million plus, which is insane. 15% powerful CPU and 40% powerful GPU than the 8 Gen 2. Says overall, the OnePlus 12 got best-in-class specifications and camera. This device will sell like hotcakes, I'm sure. They say the OnePlus Open and it is one of the finest sporting phone I've ever seen. This all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one.